Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back to Bunker Hill Pond. I was here a couple of weeks ago and the view changed completely. All the lily pads pretty much burned up by the sun. So the water is still muddy, the same way it was last time. When I was here last time, I caught a few decent ones and one over 4 pounds. So let's see how I'm gonna do today. Alright guys, I'm starting with the frog. Let's see if there'll be any takers on the frog. Yeah, the lily pads burned up. The ones that were sticking out of the water pretty much completely. Only stems left. Ooh. It's gonna be a hot day today. It's 75 degrees right now already. So I'm not gonna stay long. And there's a first fish on the frog. Oh, and he spit it out. And there's another fish. And there's another fish on the frog, and it goes into the weeds. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a nice one too. Oh, beautiful fish. Look at this guy. Yeah, this one got hooked pretty good. This is the gobble up the frog. All right. Let's see. Look at this fish. Wow. This is a nice one. That's probably 2 pounds. Let's see. Huh. It's actually 2 pounds and 4 ounces. Not bad. Nice fish. First fish of the day on the frog. Oh, it's a nice one too. Whoa. On the frog. Nice one. Come on, come on, come on. Wait. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He got hooked pretty good too with the both hooks. Nice. All right. This one even bigger than the last one. Look at this guy. Wow. Beautiful fish. Let's see how big you are. Okay. Nice. This one is 3 pounds and 3 ounces. Nice fish. another nice one. And another nice one. Oh, yes. Wow, this one is gobble up. Frog completely. All right. Yep. Yeah. 2.5, 2.8, whatever. Close to 2.5. Nice fish. Oh, spit it out. Oh, damn it. All right, I had a good action on the frog today, much better than before. So, but let's try a buzzbait. Last year I had success with the buzzbait here, so let's see. Let's see how they react to buzzbait. I've been casting this buzzbait and I got 3 blow-ups and I didn't get any of them. They all came off, so I don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna put the trailing hook here and see if that will improve hookup ratio. All right, they're jumping for it but not getting them good enough. So anyhow, let's see if I can get them with the trail hook. Yeah, there it is. And there it is. Oh. Came off, even with a trailing hook. What the hell? Fish on. Fish on. All right. Not big, but it's a fish. It's probably a pounder. Fish on. That's you. Nice, nice, nice. Hold on. Here you. It's a nice one too. Whoa, where are you pulling me? Into the branches. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, yeah, this one grabbed it. That frog pretty good. It came off. I got out. Quick release. Damn it. I wanted to make picture with you. I guess he doesn't like take pictures. Fish on. You gotta be kidding me. What's going on today? I'm losing them like crazy. Oh, what the heck is going on? I just put brand new hook. Damn it. He got it on the drop. As I start pulling, I felt him. This is crazy. I'm losing them today like, I don't know, every second one. And there's another fish. And it came off too. What the hell is going on today? Come on. No, you're not going anywhere. No, you're not going anywhere. And also barely hooked. You bastard. There you go, buddy. Alright. Another one, frog. Hey. Easy. Alright, buddy. Go ahead. Fish one. Whoa. And it's a nice one too. Alright. Hey. Easy, easy, easy. Oh, dude. Keep going nuts. Easy. Oh man. So you decided to come in. Okay. All right. Okay. Off you go. All right. This one. I knew you're here. I knew you're here. All right. Good. Good fish. Look at this guy. Man, there's another fish on the frog. On the frog. Very good. Oh, now you're bleeding. Yeah, I see that. All right. I'm gonna let you into the water. Go ahead. Yeah. The hook reached the gills. So it started bleeding. Stay down. Nice. Good fish. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Whoa, 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 where are you taking me? Oh, where are you taking me? Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, and he barely hooked. Come on, come on. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, man. He took me for a ride. Jesus, this guy took me for a ride. Wow. All right, look at this guy. Oh, look at this one. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Oh man. Yeah, looks like these big ones, they biting past noon for some reason. All right, let's see how much you weigh. All right. Nope, it wasn't good. All right. Okay. 3 pounds. Ooh, 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 ooh. 3 pounds and 9 ounces. Wow. That's a hog. Well, guys, today was a pretty good day. I never had this much action on a hollow body frog ever. So today, frog ruled. Even I tried to throw whopper, plopper, and buzzbait. Even though I got one on the whopper plopper and I got like 3 bites on the buzzbait. I mean, there's too many fish came off today. I don't know why, but nevertheless, the frog ruled today. I pretty much fished on the frog the whole day. So the morning started really good with the over 3 pound one. So awesome. So yeah, definitely I'll be coming here more and more. So guys, consider to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. And there will be more videos to come. And I'll see you guys in the next video.